What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Adrian. I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be a simple trade recap. I'm going to try to make this video nice and short, sweet, straight to the point, and make sure you guys, if you guys enjoy the video and get a lot of value out of it, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment, man, and let me know what you guys think. All right, so today pretty much I'm going to be going over a gold trade that I took. I'm going to be going over my entry, my exit, a little bit of market structure, and my risk to reward. All right, so let's get it. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to clear this chart off. We're pretty much going to start from scratch. Let's clear this up. Start from scratch, and I'm not gonna, for the sake of this video, I'm not gonna do like a full top-down analysis for this video because I want to keep this video nice and short. But if you guys would like me to do a top-down analysis, you know, everything from top to bottom, just let me know in the comments below, man, and I'll see what I can do. But so for right now, we're gonna stick to this 15-minute time frame. What I did was, first thing I like to do is I mapped out the market structure, right? So I seen we were in the uptrend. Okay, I seen we were in the uptrend. Let's see, today is Friday. Okay, so boom, I seen we were in the uptrend. Right, so we got a higher high, higher low, higher high. Let me draw this out for you guys. So we had a higher high, higher low, higher high, right? And we're waiting for price to break this high over here to continue to give us a signal that price is going to continue our uptrend. So I'm gonna put a line at our highest level. All right, so we're gonna go 15 minute high. All right, and so we got higher high, higher low. So this is our lowest point, right? 15-minute low. And so we got a higher high, higher low, higher high, right? So as we can see, we have a little bit of liquidity. So we coming into London session. So I saw we had a fair value gap right here on the 15-minute. As you can see, we had a fair value gap. So what I did was I just highlighted this area. I took my rectangle tool. I just highlighted that area, and I was looking for buys within this area to take it to the upside at a minimum to our high point, our 15-minute high, right? So what I did was, once also we have a little bit of I noticed that we had some liquidity in this area as well. So I was waiting for price to come break this liquidity, tap our fair value gap for me to take price to the upside. So that was the trade that I was looking for. That was the trade that I executed. So what I did was I went to the 15-minute. I saw price broke our liquidity zone, right? You can see a little bit better on the 5-minute. Price broke our liquidity zone, right? Price broke our liquidity zone, tapped our fair value gap, right? We can even see we have another one, 15-minute, right? So what I did was, once I saw a reaction, I risked 5% on this trade. my first take profit was our high, so looking at a 3 to 3, almost a 4 to 1 risk to reward. So if I'm risking 5%, my profit, my gain would be 15, a little bit over 15%. 15, close to, yeah, a little bit over 15%. So that was the trade. So let's see what happens. Keep in mind, this is around 2:35 in the morning in London session. So boom. So, and just like that, take profit smash, right? 3 to 1, 3, almost a 4 to 1 risk to reward ratio. So let me help you guys out, because I got a lot of requests for how to properly, how to calculate your correct lot size, right? So let's just say you have $1,000 account, right? You're risking 5% of the $1,000 on this trade setup. So you take $1,000 times 0.05. So 5% of 1,000 is $50. The stop loss on this trade was 18 pips. So what I do is, if it's 18 pips, I just round up to 20. So with that being said, our stop loss is 20. So I divide 50 by 20, and you get $2.50. So my lot size on a $1,000 account, risking 5%, will be $2.05, right? Whether you're using MT4, MT5, Trade Lock, or whatever your broker is, your lot size is going to be $2.05, right? So our reward on this trade was we're looking at 65 pips, right? So you have on this trade specifically, right, we would have made, so we would have $2.05, 2 times 5, $2.50 times 65, right? We would have made $162, which equates to roughly a little bit over 15% gain. All right, so if you guys have any questions on that, just leave a comment below and let me know what you guys think. I'm just gonna let this play out a little bit more, because I actually went in again for a second entry on gold. I believe it was in London session, right when I saw price came back into our zone. Price came back into the zone. Let's see, what time is London session? So New York session is approaching right now. So once I saw it came back into our zone, I waited for another sign, and I took another 5% risk, right? With my stop loss being at the lowest point of my 5-minute fair value gap. And this time my take profit was at the most recent high, right? So as we can see, price another reason why I was confident to set my stop loss at this most recent high, which, let me draw a line so I won't confuse you guys, right? 15-minute high, right, is because we have a clear break at 4:15 in the morning Eastern Standard Time, right? In London session, we have a clear break of our most recent 15-minute high. So that is a sign that price is going to continue to the upside. Not to mention, we have a little bit of liquidity right here on the 15-minute. So this is another sign that price is going to continue to the upside. So let's see what happens. So that was my high. So we're looking at another 3 to 1 RR. And let's see what happens. So this we entered this trade. We entered this trade at 8:30 in the morning Eastern Standard Time. All right, and let's see what happens. Boom, take profit smashed. And that's pretty much it, man. So I mean, there's a little bit if you want me to go into a little bit more details, and like I said, I just wanted to make this video nice and short and sweet, simple trade recap. If you guys, hope this helps. Hope you guys got some insight, got some value out of this video. Just, you know, if you guys have any questions or want more, or would like more videos like this, or even would like me to do any live trades, leave a comment below, man. Make sure you hit that like button, and don't forget, take that trade.